I'm on my way to JE Import Performance to get my car dynoed after installing the Greddy RS Revolution Catback exhaust. Unfortunately, I don't have a stock-based dyno on their current Dynojet, which does make it hard to see how much more horsepower I have over stock. The reason for that is that various dynos can produce different numbers even if they're the same type. For example, my last project car had over a 30 horsepower difference between two shops that both used Dynojets. What I do have, though, is a dyno showing that I made 164 wheel horsepower at 6100 RPMs and 168 foot-pounds of torque at 4000 RPMs with a lightweight pulley, intake, header, S-pipe, exhaust, and 93 octane tune. Based on these numbers, I know that this dyno rates low to begin with since the average stock wheel horsepower for Gen 2 TC is around 160, although I've seen some people post as low as 132 wheel horsepower and others as high as 172. This is why dynos are not really great for measuring overall horsepower, only changes in power when you modify the car, and only if you use the same equipment with the same general conditions. It's also best if you can get a stock base run before doing any mods. Today I'm going to be using the same Dynojet with the same setup as before. Let's see if it was worth installing the Greddy exhaust. Well, that was a little scary. That's the first time I've had the car hit the 7200 RPM rev limiter. It did sound neat though. Now for the results. 181 wheel horsepower at 6100 RPMs and 174 foot-pounds of torque at 4100 RPMs. That's an impressive 17 horsepower and 6 foot-pounds of torque gain. In case you skipped the intro explanation about dynos, this Dynojet does read low for my TC, so that's actually a pretty exciting number for me. Please watch that part of the video if you missed it. A big thanks goes out to JE Import Performance for taking care of me today. They're the same shop that tuned my 297 wheel horsepower 2001 Corolla back in the days, and I'm really fortunate to have them close by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.